Welcome all. This is Priya. In this session, we are going to learn a story supplementary part. Supplementary part of 5th standard in 3rd unit, Our Nation. The topic of the supplementary is the legend of Jaswantgarh. Okay. The legend of Jaswantgarh. Supplementary usually enrich our reading skill. Through the story, we are going to enrich our reading skill. Okay. What is mean by legend? Legend is nothing but a well-known story, a famous story of Jaswantgarh. Jaswantgarh here, it refers the name of the person who was a soldier. Who was a soldier in Indian Army. So, the legend of Jaswantgarh means the famous story of the person Jaswantgarh who was working in the army as a soldier. Before going to the story, let's learn some glossary. Legend, a story from the past. Legend means a story from the past. Gaval, an administrative division in Uttarakhand. Gaval is a place, name of a place, and it is an administrative division in Uttarakhand. Regroup. Regroup means to organize in a new tactical formation. Regroup means to organize in a new tactical formation. Reinforcement. Reinforcement means additional army to support. Reinforcement means additional army to support. Monpa tribe. Monpa tribe is a tribal group in Arunachal Pradesh. Monpa tribe is a tribal group in Arunachal Pradesh. Tribal people who are living in Arunachal Pradesh are called as Monpa tribe. Battalion. Battalion is a military which have the unit of 300 to 800 soldiers. Battalion is a military which has unit of 300 to 800 soldiers. Interrogation. Interrogation means to question, to ask something, someone aggressively. To question someone aggressively. Brace bust. Brace bust means a statue made of brace depicting a person's head and neck. Brace bust means a statue made of brace depicting a person's head and neck. Now let's move on to the story. Let's see the first stanza. Jaswant Singh Rawat was an Indian soldier. The place Jaswantgarh in Arunachal Pradesh gets its name from him. These are two different sentences. We should not get a comma in this place. Instead, we have to add and. Otherwise, using full stop, we have to start. We should have start the word the with capital T. Okay, later when you grown up, you can understand these. Jaswant Singh Rawat is a person who was a soldier, who was working as a soldier in our Indian army. The place Jaswantgarh is the name of the place which is situated in Arunachal Pradesh, the state. The state Arunachal Pradesh has the place Jaswantgarh, gets its name from him. So the place was given name Jaswantgarh from the soldier Jaswant Singh, from the soldier's name Jaswant Singh Rawat. The legendary story, the Battle of Nauranang, handed down through the ages of Nauranang, is inspiring and records the valor and patriotism of Jaswant. The legendary story means the well-known famous story, the Battle of Nauranang. The Battle of Nauranang battle is being spoken by many people from the olden days, from for many years. Is inspiring, is giving motivation to us. And this story records the valor. Valor means courage. Records the courage and patriotism. Patriotism, we know very well that one who has affection towards the country or the leader of the country is called patriotism, isn't it? So courage and patriotism of Jaswant is recorded through the story, the Battle of Nauranang. Now let's move to the next part of the story, next passage. There was a war between India and China in the year 1962. It happened, the war between India and China in 1962, we know very well. In the final part of the war, Nauranang was the last stand of the Indian army against the Chinese army. In the final part means last part of the war, Nauranang, it happened, the last part of the war happened in the place Nauranang. In this war between India and China, in the final part, Indian army was fighting against the Chinese army in the place Nauranang. The battle started on 17th November 1962 and continued for 72 hours. The battle means fight. The fight was started on 17th November 1962 and it continued without any stop. Continuously it was going on for 72 hours. 72 hours means how many days? Yes, actually 3 days. At 5 a.m. After 3 days, 72 hours, at 5 a.m. the early morning, in the eastern Himalayas, place, the Chinese army attacked the lonely Indian post in Nauranang. In the early morning, 5 a.m., Chinese started their attack on the lonely Indian post. They started their attack on lonely Indian post which is in Nauranang. Knowing that the Chinese army was stronger, the Indian soldiers on the post were ordered to retreat and regroup. So, the Indian soldiers came to know that the Chinese army was stronger than the Indian army. So, the Indian soldiers who were in the battlefield, in the places, they were ordered, informed to come back and form another group. That is, regroup means forming another group to attack the Chinese army. But Jaswant did not leave his post and decided to continue the fight to hold the Chinese until the reinforcements arrive. But everyone, they have moved after getting the order from the higher official for regrouping the soldiers. But Jaswant did not leave his place. He decided to continue to fight against the Chinese army, to hold the Chinese, to stop the Chinese until the reinforcements arrive. Until the reinforcements means, what did I say? Additional force of people from army. The additional army people to support it. Okay, till they arrive, Jaswant decided to fight against Chinese army to stop the Chinese in that place itself. Now, let's move to the next para. Two village girls named Seela and Nura. Seela and Nura were two girls helped Jaswant in that place. No other soldiers are found in that place. After getting the order from the superior officers, they went off. They moved back to form a new group to attack the Chinese army, but he stayed in the place without leaving that place. He decided to fight against the Chinese army. Then in that place, two village girls whose name are Seela and Nura helped Jaswant to fight against the Chinese army. They set up weapons at separate points. They kept with some setup. They set up some tools. Weapons means tools at separate points, in different points. Jaswant taught the girls to fire guns. Jaswant taught those girls how to fire guns. All three kept shooting on the Chinese army. All the three together. Who were they? Seela, Nura and Jaswant Singh. They three kept shooting. They continued their shooting on the Chinese army. Jaswant was running to different gun points and kept shooting. They set up some guns in the different places, isn't it? So Jaswant moving here and there, standing in the different places, he was shooting on the Chinese army. His intention was to give the Chinese army a perception that they are facing a huge Indian battalion. In this sentence, intention means aim or goal. Perception means appearance. Okay, battalion already we know that a military unit of 300 to 800 soldiers. So, Jaswant's aim here was to make the Chinese people think that they are fighting with a huge number of soldiers. So he was moving to different gun points and he was shooting on Chinese army. He did this for the 3 continuous days. It was going on for the 3 days, isn't it? So 3 days for continuously 3 days they were shooting on the Chinese army, all the three. Jaswant and the girls had killed 300 Chinese soldiers. They three, the two young girls, Seela and Nura, and also Jaswant, these three people killed 300 Chinese soldiers. The Chinese army decided to cut the food supply to the post. At last, Chinese army decided to cut food supply. The food supply means the person who was bringing the food will be stopped, they thought. The Chinese soldiers caught the man who brought the food for the three. They were fighting for the 3 consecutive days, isn't it? So they decided to stop providing food for them. So the Chinese soldier caught the man who brought food and provide food for the 3 people, that is Jaswant, Nura and Seela. In this Chinese interrogation, the man told the truth that a single soldier was guarding the post. Interrogation means a question, to question someone aggressively. Okay, aggressively means forcefully. The Chinese people caught the person who brought the food and provided food for the 3 people, isn't it? They questioned aggressively about whomever was in the post. At last, he revealed that only 3 people, only a single soldier was shooting with the help of 2 village girls. A single soldier and 2 village girls had fooled the Chinese. So, how did they made a Chinese army fool? They set up the guns in a different place, and they moved one to the different places, and they shot on Chinese army. This made them think that they were fighting with a huge number of soldiers, isn't it? Likewise, they fooled the Chinese army. They were shocked and furious. They got very angry on hearing this news from the person. They surrounded Jaswant Singh and launched a final attack. At last, Jaswant was surrounded by the Chinese people, and they started to attack Jaswant Singh in the place. Let's move to the next stanza. Jaswant shot himself as Chinese were going to capture him. Jaswant shot himself as soon as he was surrounded by all the Chinese army. And definitely he knew very well that they are going to catch them. Capture means catch Jaswant, and they will be killing, isn't it? They will kill Jaswant surely. So knowing this very well, he shot himself. The grenade blast killed Seela. Grenade means bomb which is thrown by Chinese people. That is a bomb. Okay, it's called a grenade. Grenade was thrown on Sila. It killed Sila. Nura, the tribal girl, another girl who was helping Jaswant in that post, was captured alive. Was caught by the Chinese army alive. After the war, the commander of the Chinese army returned the brace bust of Jaswant. After the war got end, the commander of Chinese army, the superior officer, commander means an superior officer of Chinese army, returned the brace statue. Already I told you, a statue made of brace depicting a person's head and neck. Here, Jaswant's statue was given by the Chinese commander. A war memorial with brace bust was made to remember him and his service to the nation. This brace bust remembers us about Jaswant and his service to the nation. So, through this, on seeing this brace statue, we came to know about the war, and the statue become as a war memorial. With this statue, we remember Jaswant and his service to the nation. All army personnel who pass through this memorial pay their respect to them. All the officers, personnel, or personnel means army personnel means who were in the army. All the soldiers, commanders, everyone gave respect to the statue, brace bust of Jaswant. The Indian army still treats him as a serving officer and awards him promotions. Still, the Indian army treats Jaswant as he is working in the army, Indian army, and awards him promotions. Some promotions also given to Jaswant. India awarded him the Mahavir Chakra. In the first lesson, of this unit, we read about Mahavir Chakra. This was the second highest award given in the Indian army, isn't it? That was awarded by the Indian army to Jaswant Singh. Jaswant may have died in battle that day, but he still lives in the memory of people in Jaswantgarh and also in the Indian army. Jaswant may have died in the battle, in the fight, Chinese, which occurred between China and India. But he still lives in the memory of Jaswantgarh people and also in the Indian army. We have still his remembrance in the Indian army. We have talked about Jaswant and his service to the nation. It is still going on. Okay. From this, we know very well about patriotism and courage of Jaswant Singh. Thank you.